Hello everyone, Deb Floros for Jesse James Beads. The Magical Mystery Bead Box for March is so much fun. These Heishi Strawberry Fields Forever are so cool. I love these floral connectors and those beautiful large crystal bicones. With some 18 gauge wire, I'm going to create an earring. I've got some 4mm jump rings. I'm attaching them to one end of my connector. And then with a head pin, I'm going to slide on the bicone and 3 of the Heishi. And I did do the Heishi the same color in both earrings at this point. I'm then creating a simple loop, and then I'm attaching the little dangle to the connector. So the other end of the connector is free, so we'll add on our little dangle at that end. Then I've got that all ready to slide onto my section of 18 gauge wire. So I'm going to put that on with the jump rings, and then I'm just going to slide on the Heishi randomly. You could make a pattern if you like, if you want to use all one color or a variation of a couple of colors or 3 colors. There's plenty of them to do that. I just did random here, and they were random on both sides of the dangle and on both earrings. So I added those on, and oh my gosh, I think they look so cute. Then I'm bending my wire very carefully into a bit of a teardrop shape, and I'm holding it together with my fingers in the right location. I want to make sure that it's got just the right bend. Then I'm going to hold the wires together with chain nose pliers, wrap one wire around the other, pull that main wire up, and then wrap around maybe 3 or 4 times. I'm going to trim off my excess, and then I need to create a loop up top so that we can attach an ear wire. So I'm just creating a wire wrap loop, positioning my pliers so that I can get the wire around that loop up top. And so you'll have a little bit of a chunky wrap up top of our little teardrop shape. These earrings are so much fun. Those Heishi can move around, and that's what makes them so fun. They're so colorful and beautiful. The ear wires are included in the Magical Mystery Bead Box in your little components box, and they're so beautiful. They match perfectly back to all of the pieces and parts. These are really, really fun earrings. You can make them a little bit shorter. You can make them a little bit longer. You can add more Heishi if you'd like, but you've got plenty more Heishi to use in bracelets and necklaces, any other pieces and parts you're going to make with this box. You can get this particular Magical Mystery Bead Box or subscribe to the Magical Mystery Bead Box at jessejamesbeads.com. Thanks for watching.